Wednesday night, back at Old Thunder. Had a pretty good showing here last week. Hoping for a repeat. Today is December 17th. All I need is consistency, man. I'm just trying to be consistent. If I can consistently have a better performance or about the same performance, I'm happy. CZ should be here tomorrow. It replaced my SXG from SIG as my carry optic. So now my CZ will be my carry optic. All of my parts should be in tomorrow. I'm gonna shoot it stock, kind of as is, with my palm swells, the red dot optic on it, but none of the tricked out stuff that Cajun Works is gonna do to it. And I'm only doing this so that I know the improvements that the Cajun Gunworks makes based on having shot it kind of like, if you want to say, out of the box. But anyway, I thought it was gonna be really wet here at Thunder tonight. It is not. Must have just kind of sprinkled here. So if it was wet, I was gonna leave, but I guess I'm gonna stay. I walked all the bays. Everything looks fine. But we shall see. Shooting the old Staccato again. That's what I have going on. The bull armor is still getting a steel grip made for it, so it's still going through cosmetic surgery. But anyway, guys, we'll see how I do today. Wish me
1918.
1918.
What do you have over here on this side?
We're already scored there. We just need up here.
Okay.
Two.
Two. Two Charlie.
Two Charlie.
Two Charlie.
Two Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Stitch.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Two.
That should get me. In theory.
All scored. Smoking run, Dale.
Hey.
Eric, good, right?
It felt choppy.
Run it up. Oh, I'm not finna get down there now.
You're up.
Yeah, it's sucking. I'm not looking forward to bending down.
All right, range is going high. Make ready.
I think 30. I think we're at 30.
You stopping or coming all the way back?
I gotta come to you. No, I'm gonna stop right there.
All right. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Yeah, I made B class. BCC, I think 6 weeks into shooting BCC.
Ah. Oh God.
I see clear. Hammer down. Holster.
Oh Jesus.
Range is safe. 2714.
Oh Jesus.
714. Ready.
I got a mag somewhere.
You have anything?
Oh my knees.
Charlie, Alpha Charlie.
Oh God.
Alpha Charlie.
It says Alpha Delta to Alpha.
Alpha Delta to Alpha.
Oh, the upside down one.
To Alpha. To Alpha.
I got two,
Two.
two,
Two.
and two.
Two. Two. Two.
What?
Mike.
Alpha Mike. Ow.
Am I miking it up all night? Yep.
Two.
Two. I tried. I was like,
Charlie.
I just can't get it together today.
Two. You got it, brother.
Whatever.
You liking the Erebus?
Right here.
Really? I've had it for
there you go, Big B, the shooter.
coming up
If
on
it wasn't for my damn mic, that wouldn't have been
My
bad.
Artemis,
Yep.
like,
Can you say if?
I thought so.
yeah.
I love this thing, man.
Thank you very much. I had just enough bullets. That was my last shot. 24 rounds, all I had.
Did you?
Well, I topped it off.
Got it?
Do you need blood?
Oh, yeah.
Shooter!
Right here, I'm right here. I'm right here. Who's ever.
Byron's up. Edwin on deck. I'm in the hole. Alright, you're on deck. Okay.
We are hot.
We have what, 15 minutes?
Yep. Gotta make this quick, guys. Make ready. Shooter's ready. Stand by.
Okay.
Unload, show clear.
Oh, sorry.
I see it.
Sorry
Slide.
about that deal.
Trigger.
We're trying to throw one. We're trying to throw one at you.
Tide 2737.
37.
What do you got, Edwin?
Alpha Mike.
Alpha Mike.
Alpha Mike.
Whoa, where at?
Alpha.
And Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Where's Alpha Mike?
2.
God damn it.
Alpha Charlie.
Two.
Oh, I don't even know where the hits were, so that didn't help me.
What is this going
Right there, right there.
2. He's on. Charlie.
Mike just came to my party all night long.
2, 2. All 4.
I'll score.
Keep it up.
Oh!
Next shooter, you should be up here waiting for me.
Edwin's up. I'm on deck.
Ah!
Nice job, man.
I got the pad.
That was not a nice job. I had one mic right there. The time was good. I think that's the one I almost fell on when I started going.
I scored that side, so you were great over there.
Okay, we're hot. Make ready.
I went from second to last.
Yeah. Oh boy. Well, fun times.
Count the mics, guys. Count them.
Alpha Mike.
Alpha Mike. Count this one.
I saw you miss that one.
Shit. No, I
2
saw
Alpha.
that.
2.
You can shoot that. He missed this one.
Yeah. FTSA. Alpha Delta.
Alpha Delta.
This is an Alpha Mike. Did you talk to it? You said double Alpha, but it's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, God. Okay.
Yeah.
Alpha Mike?
Yeah. Change 1 to Alpha.
I'm taking the cover off, guys. All right. What is next?
Got that Alpha Mike there?
Alpha Mike again.
2 Alpha.
2.
Alpha Mike.
I don't think
over
occluded is
here.
the way, honestly.
Right.
It works till you stop being dot focused.
Alpha Mike. Charlie Mike. Charlie Mike. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. All score. That's the question. Byron, you next. Edwin, on deck. TJ, in the hole.
There he goes.
All right, ready to go hot. Make ready.
Okay. Mike, I'm red. Red dot.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Finish unload to the clear. I see it. Hammer.
Get in there.
You like it? Radius is clear.
Oh, yes.
3660.
Woo! I was afraid. I couldn't see it.
You missed one. 2.
Where?
2. Behind there.
2.
No, I think I got that one.
Alpha Charlie.
Told you.
Charlie. Oh.
2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Is that Alpha Mike?
No, Alpha Delta, Alpha Delta, Alpha Delta. Oh, wait, no, you're right. I couldn't tell.
Yeah.
Well, no, well.
Alpha Mike.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Sir, wait, boss man, come back. I see it. Now that is not a miss.
Oh no, that's a Delta.
Okay.
Alpha Delta.
Yeah.
Alpha Delta. All right, next.
That's an Alpha Mike.
I got that.
Ah!
2.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Damn it. I gave you one, son. I got saved on that one. I should have said 3 at that one.
Mike and Delta. I was like, oh, I got those 2. That makes me feel
Shit.
And Alpha Charlie. Yep.
Okay, thanks. Who's got the pad?
Edwin, you're next.
With my mic, how bad was it?
You got 2, Mike.
Oh, wait. Did you change that other one to a Delta? It was still 2 mics.
Yeah.
You shot into the hardcover, man.
Edwin, TJ on deck.
2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie.
Good run, Mr. Dale.
Yeah, man. They
Alpha
good.
Charlie.
Merry Christmas.
You too.
2 Alpha. 2 Charlie.
2 Charlie. 2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Alpha Charlie. 2 Alpha.
Alpha Charlie, 2 Alpha, all score. Byron's the shooter. Edwin is on deck. TJ in the hole. Alright, we gotta take here, guys.
Are we all good? I'm hoping so. If they're alphas, don't leave them alone, Sean.
Alright, Ranger's going hot.
I'm on deck. Thank you, sir.
You didn't say make it ready.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Make ready.
You know, the older I get, the more I just want to do a single pair system and watch on this.
Make sure that's not getting caught. I'm gonna cut on my shirt. Your way, Sean.
Alright.
I'm backing up straight at you.
Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by.
On Medicaid. Medicaid sets all the prices. And they're complicated.
Finish. Unload. IC clear. Hammer down. Holster. Range is safe. 3058.
Whew. That's a lot of running.
Ready. Sorry.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. See Alpha Mike shooter.
I don't see another one nowhere.
Yeah.
Damn it. No nicks. Nope.
2 Alpha Charlie.
I'm iffing that shit.
They're on top of each other. So you
Oh, you know what? That's why I got my mic. I bet one of those was a barrel strike.
Oh, the barrel.
Or where did I get it at? Through here. I bet you one of these was a barrel strike.
Yo, Mag.
Oh! I'm trying to see where I messed up, man. I'm getting it, Freddie.
I know nobody.
Oh, yeah, that was Wednesday night. I'm glad it wasn't muddy. There were some super difficult stages, lots of no-shoots, lots of hardcover. It was very planned out, very good stages. I have no complaints. All I can say is I did about average. That's about all I can say, guys. This was not my best performance. It wasn't my worst performance. I did about average. All right, next time you see me, I'll be shooting at spring guns and ammo tomorrow on Thursday. Hopefully I can redeem myself.